Hi guys. Isn't this peaceful? Isn't it gorgeous? It's almost time to take a swim out to the island, but not yet. It's still a bit chilly because we are only in the middle of May, a little bit past the middle of May. The river looks awesome. Green, bluish green. I don't know what that color is, but pretty. Better than what it used to look. There's the ramp for the boats down here in Austin. Here's the bridge that the railroad used to go across, but now it's rails to trails, people's houses. That's Crooked Creek that goes into Austin. Right here at this is the Confluence right here where I stand. That's upriver, and that goes down to the Berg. Bye bye.